Where is the undo button in Photopea? You must head all the way to the edit menu here at the top, and the very first thing is undo and redo. So you can undo one step, one step, one step at the time, but you may notice there's also a history panel. It should be here by default together with colors. Maybe your colors are active and history should be somewhere here. That's also a great way to undo. Here you can decide how many steps you want to undo and you can actually see them. So I can undo until here. And also I can redo because those gray out steps are still here. So we can redo all the way here. So that's a history panel. That's what I recommend. If you cannot see the history, head for Window and you can turn it on from here, history. So again, the undo button is here in Photopea. You just need to open the edit menu. That will be the very first thing. You can also just press Ctrl+Z or Command+Z on your machine. If you got physical keyboard, that's really quick. So you can press Command+Z on your Mac or Ctrl+Z on your Windows. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.